Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HIPH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. So let's map out some levels of, or I should really more so update levels of support and resistance with today and the pullback. I'm not going to call the chart ruined, but yeah, it's definitely pulled back now, and no price can go straight up forever and ever. And pullbacks are part of the game. But there's also that point where it's like, okay, yeah, it's pulled back enough. Now the price needs to stabilize and show some, stabilization strength. And that's kind of where the chart is now. It's pulled back, which is fine. But now the price does need to start to show, like I said, that stabilization. And I'm just going to get rid of that line up there. Yeah, it retains, but it's just not relevant anymore. So I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines everywhere. But the first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closable, they do tend to act as resistance. So in the event, this is just some sort of little consolidation and the price is getting ready to work its way back upwards. Work its way back upwards. The first challenge in that regard is going to be the price needing to get up above 0.065, as that'll be that initial level of resistance. But what about levels of support? So this is kind of more so what I was talking about at the beginning of the video, where yeah, the price is pulled back, which is great, but now ideally you want to start to see the price stabilize out. And where it did stabilize out today was right down here at 0.057. So I'm not going to call 0.057 a must-hold make or break level, but as far as what would be ideal, then that would certainly be an area where if the price can stay up above that area, that would be best for the chart. Now, if the price does break down below it, then the next, and this is what I would call the must-hold level, is that purple line right there, that 50-period moving average. Even if you have a very basic surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period, and you know that when the price is up above it, then yes, from a bullish perspective, that is, you certainly want to see the price stay up above it. So that is why, in my mind, that would be more so the must-hold area of support. But to be fair to the bulls and to the chart right now, yeah, the price is pulled back. That's perfectly fine. That's perfectly healthy as long as higher lows are being built. So let's see if the bulls can chip away and build that higher low or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.